You
Yeah.
know, that's a good catch, actually. My wife told me same. Really.
Okay, same.
Mm. Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah, now I'm hearing you.
Fantastic. Yeah, sorry for the trouble. I was not able to make it work.
Yeah,
Do you see
don't be
me?
apologized. No worry. Nice
Yeah,
to meet
glad to
you.
see you, man. Me too. What's your name?
Yeah. My name is Mahadi.
Mahidi. My name is Sam. You can call me Sam.
Okay. Okay, Sam. So
Yeah, so
first of all, thank you for trusting me without talking. You order me. Thank you again.
mhm. Yeah,
So
so
could you please tell me about your business? Actually, I love to know about your business.
yeah, it's a moving company. I've been working for like several years in this business, like 4 years. And to be honest, uh, I was working with Yelp and Google Ads mostly.
Yeah,
Yeah, I need help with running Google Ads.
Google Ads. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I need.
So do you run Google Ads in previous?
I did run Google Ads, but in another account, yes, in San Francisco area. And it's a very small family business, and the business is in Seattle. It's a moving
Oh,
company.
yeah.
So I need, I mean, working ads. That's all I need.
Okay. So do you have license or insurance, something like that for this business
First,
or family business?
yes, I do.
You have.
Yes.
So brother, do you test in the any time for your business Google guarantee ads?
Google Guarantee Ads. The problem is that my account is currently suspended on Google.
Suspend.
Yeah, and I'm trying
I
to.
mean,
I wrote to Google. I am trying to fix this problem. I'm working on that, and it's still in submitted status. I haven't received it.
okay,
I'm working
okay,
on
okay.
moving business, like moving household items, one place, like people moving from one city to another, family's house,
Yeah,
apartment. It could be anything. It could be storage. It could be office.
yeah,
Someone could be out of state to another state. You know, Americans move much. Maybe
yeah,
like, and then yeah. So rental. Most people actually they make the living situation better. For example, moving from apartments to
yeah,
houses, or from apartment to a better apartment. You know, something like that.
yeah. So I just want to know, um, what
Mhm.
is your charge? I mean, for one moving company, what dollar you charge for people? I know this is not dependent on locations, on what's so far in near, but basic charge
Basic charge, we charge 130 for two movers and a truck.
130.
Yes, for two movers.
Okay. Because I should to know your charge, because based on this charge, we should to select the per day budget, camping budget.
Mhm.
I mean,
Campaign, for example, like $100 a day, you can set it
per
to.
day.
Yes, per day.
It's mean monthly $3,000.
Yes.
Thing
Mhm.
is, if I tell you one thing from my experience,
Mhm.
like you need the local, you write down local movers. Okay.
Mhm.
So this is one page. I should to open the another page for your
Mhm.
clearness. You land in here and you can see here handling your move with care. Okay, good.
Mhm.
And you can see a review. But just think, if you land this landing page, you can see the local moving. And you
Mhm.
think this is relevant our business, and this is relevant what I need. Actual, this is one thing. And the second thing is Google Ads, its work on quality score. Okay. And
Mhm.
quality, you don't know, I know, but just let me finish. Quality score is dependent on three things. One is ad quality.
Mhm.
Number two is ad relevancy, I mean relevant.
Mhm.
And number three is CTR. CTR, this is my hand, and ad quality, this is my hand. But ad
Okay.
relevancy, this is depends on you. What landing page should I use? Okay. And
Mhm.
yeah, this is the thing. And if I do it the mobile view, look here, our
Mhm.
our website is looking like this in the mobile, right?
Mhm.
like this. So when people land here, they can see the local moving, and here is a call button. No worry, what you tell me, I can do it, but we can. Which landing page?
No. Main page.
Main page.
Refresh it.
Okay. Yeah, this is the main page.
Refresh it. Refresh.
Okay. Full service moving comment. Oh, amazing. You changed it?
Yeah, I just changed it. You're right. I think people think handling video it gets complicated, but
Yeah.
when people say full service moving company, they know that's a moving company, right?
Yeah. Okay. This
I agree.
word is amazing. Great.
You
Yeah.
know, that's a good catch, actually. My wife told me same.
Okay, same.
Mm. See, that's already two opinions. So
Okay. Okay, so brother, this is your moving the landing page, and I should to focus the local moving this type keywords, and I got the Google Ads account. I should to open, please.